Cat lovers everywhere know just how much their furry little friends enjoy running and bouncing around whenever they have too much energy to spend, which is why you should consider getting your cat a couple of cat toys if you haven't already. Check out the link in the description. 1. Cat Dancer, Cat Charmer 301 Wand. Ranked as among, if not the most, popular models of cat toys on the market today, the Cat Charmer 301 by Cat Dancer is a very interactive cat toy crafted to charm, not harm. It features a quite colorful fabric and polycarbonate wand and is designed to provide an exciting aerobic experience for your feline. It is a safe interactive toy for any cats, kittens, and also kids. Given the fact that it comes in a bright candy-colored choice of colors, you are sure to find the one that is the most likely to entertain your cat. 2. Bergen Turbo Scratcher. The Bergen's popular Turbo Scratcher is another great cat toy, one that offers hours of fun for your cat. It features a channel track with a small fun ball that your furry friend can nudge by the nose or shove with the paws. At its center, we find a replaceable and very durable, well-textured scratch pad. Interestingly enough, this toy has a stable base for keeping it stable and safe. As such, it keeps your feline entertained so they won't scratch your furniture anytime soon. 3. GoCat Teaser Cat Catcher Wand. Created by GoCat, the Cat Catcher is a great cat toy, one that acts as a teaser wand that features an attention-drawing mouse attached to its flexible, braided wire, and then connected to the 12-inch glitter wand. This featured mouse is about 2 inches long while its tail is about 3 inches long, which makes it quite realistic. This cat toy provides a great way for you to interact with your kitten as you exercise and/or play. Made of high-quality and safe materials, this toy comes in various color patterns for you to choose from. 4. Pet Stages Tower of Tracks. The Tower of Tracks from Pet Stages is a wonderful cat toy with a 3-level track design for extra fun. Each level has its ball, making this toy an ideal choice for a group play with even more than one cat. It also works great for solo fun time, and the fact that it features a sturdy construction and anti-skid bottom pads for remaining stable with rough players recommends it for cats that like to bite and scratch while playing. 5. Smarty Cat Catnip Mice. The Smarty Cat Catnip Mice is a cat toy your favorite feline can surely find fun and exercise by. It features 3 adorable mice that are spiked with potent catnip for drawing the cat's interest, leading to a burst of vibrant activity they truly enjoy for long hours. The catnip is made of chemical-free materials, while the fiberfill is of 100% recycled plastic, making the unit both safe for the cat and eco-friendly. Product links available in the description below. Thanks for watching.